Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart to obtain the volume of a rectangular prism. So this is the rectangular prism which contains 6 faces. All the 6 faces are rectangle. We are having a bottom and top and 4 lateral faces. And we can say it contains 3 pair of rectangular faces. The rectangular prism also known as a cuboid. We are going to draw a flowchart to calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. So what is the formula to calculate the volume? Volume equal to length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height, which contain length, breadth and height. Volume equal to length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. So for this we are going to draw a flowchart. So this is the logical start of the flowchart. Next I am going to obtain length, breadth and height as an input from the user. Input, length, breadth, height. Next, we are going to calculate the volume. Volume equal to length into breadth into height. Next, we are going to print the result. Print volume. So we have printed the result. Now we are going to end the flowchart with logical end. Stop. So this is the end of the flowchart. So start, we are obtaining length, breadth and height as an input from the user for the length, breadth and height. Next, we have calculated the volume equal to length into breadth into height. Next, print volume. The result got printed. This is the logical end of the flowchart. We'll see an example how this flowchart works. So input, length, breadth and height is the input. Logical start. Input, length, breadth and height. So I am giving length equal to 10, breadth 4 and height equal to 5. Volume equal to length 10 multiplied with breadth 4 multiplied with height 5. This is 40 multiplied with 5 is equal to 200. So 200 is the volume of the rectangular prism. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.